Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right, and tap on the settings cog again on the top right. Once you're on here, underneath Meta Account Center, you want to click on Personal Details. And then again, under Account Settings, select Personal Details. Once you're on here, go to Account Ownership and Control, and then it'll give you the option to deactivate or delete your account. So you want to tap on that. And if you've got multiple accounts on here, you obviously just want the Facebook one. And then it'll give you the option to obviously either deactivate or delete your account. So obviously you want the deactivate option and select Continue. Once you've done this, it'll ask you to put in your password. Then just select Continue. Then you can give a reason if you want. Then select Continue again. So once you're on here, you can choose the option of how long you want to deactivate your account for. Obviously just pick whatever you want on there. And then just select Continue. Then again it'll give you the option to deactivate your account. So just click on there. And that will deactivate your account for you. Thanks for watching.